She was more than just a voice, more than just a muse. Marianne Faithfull was a survivor, an artist, a rebel. She conquered the world with her music, fell into darkness, and rose again, stronger, wiser, and unapologetically herself. Born in 1946, Faithfull was destined for the stage. From a teenage girl with a dream to a legendary artist who defined generations, her journey was anything but ordinary. Discovered by the Rolling Stones manager, her first single, As Tears Go By, became an instant hit. But fame came with a price. Her relationship with Mick Jagger made headlines. But behind the glamour was a woman struggling with addiction, heartbreak, and the weight of being a rock and roll icon. Drugs, scandals, homelessness. The world saw her as another fallen star. But Marianne? She was never meant to fade away. Then came the comeback. Broken English wasn't just an album, it was a statement. A new, raw voice emerged from the ashes, deeper, richer, filled with the pain and wisdom of her past. The world listened, and they felt it. Marianne Faithfull became a legend on her own terms. Collaborating with the likes of Nick Cave, Lou Reed, and Metallica, she proved that she wasn't just a muse, she was the artist. Even as health battles took their toll, she never stopped. Her music, her spirit, her legacy, a voice that whispered pain, screamed defiance, and sang with the weight of a lifetime. Marianne Faithfull, a woman who lived, lost, and loved fiercely. Her voice may have gone silent, but her story? It will echo forever. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And make sure to subscribe for more incredible stories of resilience, music, and legends. See you in the next one.